Welcome to the updated GPT trading bot. Here, you can request signals for 5 seconds deals and still have the highest win rate in 96%. All you need is to create a new Pocket Option account and deposit there at least $55. After verification, you'll be able to use this workspace where you can choose the asset and expiration time. Then you just open a deal on your new Pocket Option account, and that's it.
Moobert.
It's not a problem if you face a minus deal. Just double up your trade amount and open a deal once again. GPT trading bot can't give you more than one minus in a row, but it's better to change the asset if minus was received.
Moobert. 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 Moobert.
As you can see, we've just doubled up our start deposit. You can find the original bot in the description. Good luck!